Moses, uh, excellent student, in fact. And there are a couple of students who are very excellent in that batch. They continue each other. That's why one of the friends is also have joined in that in this particular meeting now. But though they were very excellent, sometimes they're very naughty also, but still in academics they are absolute, and they were very ferocious regarding to placements, aggressive regarding placements. So Niharika is from 2014 and 16 batch. I welcome Niharika. Now we have with us Niharika, our present batch of students, that is juniors,
Okay.
2019-21 batch. Now they want to listen to you, Niharika. You share your experiences in CMR,
Okay.
your journey to CMR, and the 2 years of CMR, and how you are, how is your life after CMR,
Yeah.
everything.
Okay. First of all, I would
Yeah.
like to thank
So over to you,
you.
Niharika. Yeah.
Yeah. First of all, I would like to thank you, Harish sir and Spurti ma'am, for giving me this opportunity to speak with my juniors and also connect with you people through this session. I'm very overwhelmed. Thank you for this. Okay. I'm little bit nervous to speak. I don't know from where to start. I joined CMR in 2014. While I was joined, like I don't feel like to coming to college like in first few initial days. Later, I was like, college is a very good place. Uh, I like the environment of the CMR college. Once we joined in orientation, we had been promised that we'll get a separate block of our own MBA thing. Once we joined, like there was no MBA block, it was under construction. They promised us that we'll get a block since our first semester is finished, and as promised, we got a separate MBA block. It was very good. We have very good facilities, and I just like our college and the lecturers. They are very supportive. Harish, he made like law class is very, very, very interesting. People generally don't like they doesn't show interest in law class.
I request everybody to mute their audios, please. 72, I can still listen your voice. Please mute your audios. Monica, those who are joining, please mute your audios, Suma. Monica, if we can still hear you,
Yeah, sir.
please mute your audios. Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, go ahead.
Yeah.
Niharika, go ahead.
Yeah. And I don't want this session like to be in one way. If you have any doubts, please respond. Ask me something. I'm ready to share. Okay. So yeah, coming to my topic. So generally, we students are not interested in listening to law, even in graduation. Or most of the people from CA joins MBA. So Harissa makes the law class very interesting. Like I never slept in his class. Literally, I used to sleep in my law class when I was in CA and in degree, but I never slept in Harissa class. And Spurti ma'am, Bhagya Lakshmi ma'am, they are very good at teachings. We got very nice opportunity with them in learning everything. Coming to placements, our college provides very good drives. Like I almost attended every drive. Honestly speaking, I didn't get selected in any on campus interviews. I give my best shot. Like I gave my best shot. I joined, like I attended every interview. Literally, I'll reach till last round and I didn't get placed, but I was never disappointed. But attending interviews gave me the experience. Now I can crack any interview. Literally, I'm that confident. I cracked my first interview with HSBC, which consists of 8 rounds. I got experience of attending interviews from CMR itself. So no problem if you doesn't get selected any drive. It's okay. You'll at least learn. And what I feel like regarding opportunities and drives, something great opportunities comes from something small. We just have to keep our eyes open. We must be cautious. And now the pandemic is going on. We are not able to attend the colleges. We have plenty of time. Invest in yourself. Learn something new. Apart from subjects or anything, just learn something new. Invest in yourself. Work out on yourself. Just think what you want to become in your life after going forward. It's not just like doing I'm gonna do MBA, I'll get some job, I'll get placed somewhere, and that's life. It's not life. Getting a job, it's simple thing. Now I'm working in Infosys. If not Infosys, some other company. For them also, if not me, some other employee. You should be about yourself. Be confident. Any company should hire you. It's okay if you doesn't want to work. You can be an entrepreneur. MBA is completely solely based on entrepreneurship. Work on yourself. Think like if you have any ideas, just note it down. Work on it. You have plenty of time now. Be safe. Stay in home. Work on yourself. Do workouts. Practice yoga or anything else. And coming to my work life, I joined HSBC in 2017. Once the exams are finished, I got placed in HSBC. I worked as a credit service executive in HSBC. It's a hell of a ride. It's a great opportunity for me. My work completely consists on the basis of accounts. I'm very thankful to Hansraj sir. He was very good at teaching accounts. And my only work is doing balance sheets. Yeah, I used to do balance sheet 9 hours a day, different type of companies. It's one of very good bank in India. It's a multinational organization actually, HSBC. It is in 170 countries. It operates in 170 countries. And I got I got to learn to do kind of tax returns and some languages like French. Yeah, I worked on French languages in accounting. It's a great opportunity. And work life is completely different from college life. In college, what we used to do, like if it doesn't feel like coming, we used to quit the class and we used to take our time. But once we join organizations, it's not like that. We need to apply leave, we need to provide the certificates for the specific reasons for the leaves, everything. Enjoy every moment in your college life. Learn something new. Trust on yourself. Respect teachers, elders. Guys, I can listen some sounds. Can you please mute yourself?
I request everybody to mute your audios. Everybody, don't disturb the speaker. Yes, 92, mute your audio. Yeah, Niharika, go ahead.
Yeah. And you got plenty of time now. Please just don't waste it. I always believe that every beginning has to start somewhere. Just start now, something other than studies, what you are interested. If you're not feeling like studying these days, just learn something, learn a new language, or else learn something, learn a course, join an online course, or work on yourself, do something. Don't waste time. Time is precious. Like we got plenty of time now. And I worked with HSBC for 2 years, and then I took a break of 1 year. Yeah, literally, I took a break of 1 year. I thought, like, let me take 1 month break and 2 months break for myself, then I'll join some other company. And the break has been leaded to like almost a year. And I joined Infosys recently at November 2019. It's been like 4 months I worked there, and now it's like work from home. Yeah, I'm working on my Infosys. Like I'm not wasting my time. I'm learning Spanish language right now. I'm working on myself, and I like poetry. I like writing poetry, so I'm working on it. I don't know, like I might quit the work. Like I might not continue for years. Like I aspire to be a writer. One day definitely I'm gonna write something. Don't ask me now what it is. Like I'm very much interested in books, and I'm kind of a bookworm. So learn your interests. Just know about yourself. And You got plenty of opportunities in college, and we get number of interviews, drives over college. So work on it. Your life will be very good. And do you have any questions? Anybody?
Let me come to you, Niharika.
Yes.
You were very aggressive with regarding to academics and regarding placements, but your landing was very accurate. Actually, getting into HSBC at the first attempt. After,
Yeah.
in fact, after your second year. Now, how did you
Yes.
feel? Do you really think that CMR has helped you something where it was the right landing in HSBC?
See, like definitely CMA helped me. Like I attended every drive in the college. Literally, I used to go till last round and I got rejected. I don't know why. What's wrong with me? But yeah, I gained experience of attending interview, how to perform. I learned from CMR itself. So that was very useful for me to, like right now I'm very confident that I can crack any interview. It was very useful.
Now, how was our training modules actually? Because we used to give training for 1 week. So
Yeah,
how was the
yeah,
module?
I totally forgot about that. Yeah, we got even trained for attending interviews. No college will give that to you. They'll We got a special tutor for that, for how to prepare for interview, how to speak, how to increase our communications. uh, I have some fellow friends from other colleges. They used to directly attend, but we have a great opportunity to work with some tutor and learn the modules and stuff, and then go for the interview. It was a great thing. I appreciate it very much now.
Yeah,
Any students?
any
Yeah,
queries
student.
you want? Let us have a discussion room actually. Every time alumni coming and telling everything, but you people don't want to talk to them. Let us have some discussion with the alumni actually. Now they
Okay.
want to share their experiences. Niharika, don't worry. No, I was very strict regarding academics, but now you are my alumni. So
Yeah.
don't don't once again come in the same what do you say feeling that I'm talking in front of my faculty, I'm talking in front of myself, because you are dealing your profile is great. Now you're dealing with some people, the organization, but of course I can understand. Faculty is faculty, back to college it is different, but
Yeah,
feel
yeah.
free, feel free first of all, and then
Okay.
I want everybody to interact with her now. Yeah, please come in. Any girl students want to come in first?
Yeah, please shoot. It's okay. We can talk very normally. I'm not aggressive that much now. While I was in college, it's okay. Guys, please ask me the questions. Anybody? Or else just at least ask me what you want to know. If you don't have any questions, just ask me like what you want to listen from me.
No, almost
Yeah.
70 are
Hi,
there.
ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, please.
Yeah, hi.
Hi, ma'am. This is Parimala.
Hi, Parimala. Yes.
Yeah. I just wanted to know something. As this is pandemic situation, all our classes are something like virtual classes. So
Okay.
there is no proper interaction with student and faculty right now. Like there is interaction, but direct interaction is something different from virtual interaction, right? And
Yes.
we are missing all the activities which our college provides us. So
Yes.
and yes, we are definitely, I think we don't have like in this deadly situation we are not going to have any exams now. So if this continues, we would be continuing our MBA through something like we would be completing our MBA from home itself.
Okay.
So I got to know that companies are recruiting people, like online recruitment is going on. So will our certification be valid by the end of our MBA?
The thing is like we don't have any option right now to go to college and study and everything. So even companies doesn't have any option. If they want to join the freshers, yeah, they have to choose you. Yes, please work on yourself. as there is no direct connection with the lecturer, it's okay. But feel free to ask questions. Call them if any doubts. They are available. They are very good. Seriously, learn subject. Learn, like, expertise yourself what you want to learn. It's very important right now, as if we are not available, like we can't go to colleges and we can't sit in the class and get everything. So it's upon you people now. You have to prepare well.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Anything?
Yeah,
And
go ahead, go
anybody?
ahead. Yeah, now at this particular question, I want to tell you, Parimila, you just cannot judge the things right now anyway. What actually we we are expecting is in a positive way. Let us hope that this situation is going to end within at least within 1 or 2 months, so that we'll be back. Because I'm feeling alone, in fact, because I'm coming to college alone. I'm sitting here in the college, and right now I'm in the college. I'm feeling alone because life is obviously bored, because from last 2 decades we are with the students, and suddenly something happened that we don't find students in around. I'm not in a position to shout. I'm not in a position to yell at you, shout at you. Otherwise, look at you. Otherwise, I cannot see your what do you say, all sort of naughty things in the college. It's quite different, but let us accept the situation,
Yeah,
and let
hope
us
for the best.
for hope for the best, accept the situation, and then if the situation is not going in favor of us, let us plan in such a way. We are there, don't worry. We'll plan in such a way that your degree will be valid, because and all around the world the situation is same. We are not confined, only it is not confined to a particular place. So all the degrees will be valid, and your academics will be in full-fledged way. And obviously one more thing is that your placements also going to go. Definitely there will be placements, because companies are open. They are going to run. So there is no worry at all, Paramila. And alumni is in front of you. They are working from home. uh, they are doing their jobs. They're continuing. As I hope for the best, I think the situation is going to improve. What is
Yeah,
what is the talk, general talk, Niharika, in the corporate side? How exactly the things will move on?
it's completely different from college. First thing, you have to learn everything on yourself. Be curious. Be curious of learning anything. Like if you're taught something and no people are ready to explain the things over and over again. Like in college, we got, if it doesn't get anything, we'll go to sir. He'll explain us like a number of times. But in corporates, it's not like that. I'm not telling like every place is like that, but yeah, you have to pay attention. You need to learn things on your own. You need to grab it fastly. You have to practice well to survive in the corporate. And
Yeah. So any more queries from the student side once again?
Hello, ma'am.
hi,
This is Shobha, ma'am.
hi Shobha.
Yeah. I would like to know something. It's like, what is the most rewarding part of your job?
Uh, Actually, right now I'm working as an associate business analyst, and I still doesn't get any project yet. I'm just learning something new in home. Like I just learned like SEM module recently. In HSBC, I used to work as an credit service associate, and it's completely based on like accounts. Accounts is the sole thing. It is the rewarding point. Like I'm very good at my finance. Yeah,
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
yeah.
Kishore, your favorite student has come into the room. Kishore, she was waiting for you. Kishore, you want to ask your student Niharika something? Kishore, can you hear me, Kishore? Kishore?
He might ask me what is synergy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kishore, can you hear me? Kishore, Yes, Purti madam, can you hear me, madam?
Yes, sir, I can hear you, sir.
Yeah, your student is in front of you. Now, always, every day, I cannot host everybody. You know, she was very close to you as well. Why don't you ask some questions? Because our students are a little bit shy, first years. Why don't you interact with her also?
Ma'am, no academic questions. Okay, I forgot. I forgot everything.
No, Niharika, I won't ask you any academic questions. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
You just tell the students about what type of skills they need to learn in the college to to reach their to reach their objectives or to fulfill the job expectations.
Okay, communication is the most important thing in the present, not like present. Communication is the most important thing. Even if you doesn't know any subject or anything, you should communicate in such a way that people should be like opposite person should have the confidence like yeah, she can do anything. We must be such confident, and subject knowledge is also very important. Yeah, learning subject and be very confident. You have to be confident and you should communicate well. These three things are like the charming factors which lands you in a very good job. Guys, anything else?
Okay, Niharika.
Yeah.
I have another question, ma'am. This is Parimala again.
Yeah.
Like like our HOD sir is trying to engage us in some or the other way. Like sir told us to do some Coursera online courses, and now we are busy with our internships and all.
Okay.
So now the internships which we are doing is completely from home. So I
Okay.
got a finance internship, and my specialization would be definitely a finance. And
Okay.
my internship is something related to stock markets.
Okay.
So working from home is something different, and I mean uh, I'm working from home on like on stock markets, and
Okay.
now I need to get practical experience on that. Suppose if I crack any interview in our college, I mean to say
Okay.
so would this online internship would help me there? I mean, this is completely a work from home intern where I
Okay.
don't have any practical knowledge. Just listening to class is something different from working there.
Yes.
So
Yes.
yeah, that's what I want to know. I wanted to ask you.
It's like generally if we attend any interview, people doesn't know any work before itself. We just have subject knowledge. We go there, we take like we'll have our trainings. Once we crack our trainings, we'll go on floor. So no problem, not to worry. It's okay. You have subject knowledge, that's enough. You tell about them about this subject knowledge and your internship, and you'll get trained. It's okay. It's very useful.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Apart from Parimala and Shobita, anybody wanna ask something?
Yeah,
Because these
boys.
two girls are like
Yeah, I
most
think.
prominent and asking the questions. No,
Yeah,
guys,
yeah. What about boys? Boys, come in.
there's no energy from boys. Seriously, in my class, there's a lot of energy from boys.
Shamshul, you're coming in. Please come in.
Yes, sir, I'm on my way. Hi,
Yeah.
Niharika, this is Shamshul. Just I
Hi.
wanted to ask you a question is,
Yeah.
after this pandemic, what will be the situation in the IT companies? They
Seriously,
are going
man,
to
I
recruit
don't
for,
know. Yeah,
they
yeah.
will
Please
be
ask
going
me.
to recruit for a new candidates, or they'll be want some experience or what?
Like seriously, I don't know like whether my job is permanent or not, so I can't answer you. But seriously, like world should run. People will hire. Like work should have to be done. So definitely we have chances. And there's openings in Infosys. I heard. I'm not sure, but yeah, Infosys is going to hire people.
Does Infosys have started their online recruitment like video conferencing and all?
I don't think so. The people who are hired before this pandemic are going to get the jobs, and once this ends, maybe they might recruit.
Okay, thank you, Niharika.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, Shamshul, let me come in. Let me come in and support. Otherwise, help her out regarding these placements. In this pandemic situation. Now, the criteria have changed now. Now, the placements have changed. What actually we were looking at the regular placements is quite different right now because the areas have changed. Now, the business has quite changed. Now, the demand for the products have changed. So the people are looking for different areas now. So in that case, the companies, those companies which were not doing well previously are now looking for people to come in. So now placements have been opened to those particular companies and those particular areas. Now today itself, I think you got the news. I don't know today. Placements are still on, and this particular batch, Shamshil, your batch have already crossed 90 plus placements.
Yes,
How
sir.
many of you? How many of you know? I don't know. Every day I am getting a news of somebody getting placed. Today itself, one of your friend, Mr. Puram Sandeep, he has been placed in Vedantu, 3.6 lakhs. So situation is quite different right now. The products are changing, the demand is changing. Now the business also is changing. It will take its own course. Whenever it changes, whenever it changes its course, placements keep on coming in that particular area. So nothing to worry. Economy is standstill now, but still otherwise it will try to recoup back. It will try to boom back, and that is what we are expecting, and that is what we can expect in the future also. Let us expect everything be positive, because now we can't sit quiet in house and everything cannot go from home. Work from home can happen very few days or a month or two. And as Parmila was saying, even internships are also can be, they will be very interesting when they are on the job actually. But because of situation, at least for God's sake, we have got internships where we can do from home. Practical knowledge is quite different. Yes, absolutely different. So what we can expect is, let's hope for the best.
And
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
even I got mail from Amazon, like from Naukri, to attend the interview virtually. Upload your
Okay.
profiles in Naukri and just see whether you get something else. Yeah.
Yeah. Any more queries, or
Yeah,
shall
thank
we?
you.
Any more queries from anybody, or shall we wind up?
Hello, ma'am. I'm Prerna. I just would like to ask you one question. If
Yes,
you
Miss
could be
Mansa
proud of,
Ganti. Yeah.
if you could be proud of one accomplishment, so what would be that?
I'm very proud that I studied in CMR College and got placed in very good company, and I find a friend like you. I'm very happy to get you. Even though you are faking your name as Prerna Mansa, I can recognize your voice. Please ask me something else.
Yeah, Manasa, I want you to come in someday to talk to these guys once again as alumni.
Yeah, I'm
No.
looking forward to listen from Mansa. Yes.
Yeah, she is very eager actually.
I'm,
I'll be giving
Yeah.
her a slot. I'll be
see,
giving her a slot. Don't worry, Manasa.
I'm so privileged for that, but daily on daily basis talking to these people, even they'll be getting goals. I'll be coming with one good topic, even they'll be getting engaged with that activity. So I'm just looking for that. I'm working on that soon. I'll be in get touch with you people.
Thank you, Manasa. We are.
It's a good thought.
Nice.
You're very thoughtful. Yeah, Mansa.
Very
It's a
thoughtful.
thoughtful.
Yeah,
Yeah.
very good, very good. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, any more queries coming in, please? Otherwise, we'll wind up because we're running short of time. If there are no queries, then Niharika, one last word from you. What best thing you want to advise to these people?
The best thing I want to advise for these people is like, you got the best time. When we were in college, we never got this much time. Please utilize the time properly. Read something else, learn something, work on yourself. That's it.
Yeah. Spurti, shall we wind up because we're running short of time? And
Yes, sir. Well,
yeah. So Niharika, thank you very much. Tomorrow, guys, we'll be having one more person coming in, and after tomorrow we have another person coming in from different batches. So thank you, Niharika. Thank you for your time for these present batch students. and sharing your thoughts, sharing your experiences, your life in CMR in 2 years. And even otherwise, I'm very happy that your friend will also joined for a while. But still, we are
Yeah.
looking forward for her also to come in coming days. So this is how we are going to attach ourselves, batch by batch, and helping each other, getting on
Actually,
them.
this is very thoughtful that you are engaging students for an hour with the previous students and making their queries, like addressing their queries. It's a good thing. I appreciate that from you people.
Yeah, because no, that is what Corona sometimes it has brought some difficult times, but otherwise it is giving us some opportunities, some hope, some ideas, how to convert these black days into such a coordinated efforts coming in, whether we can utilize this time by talking to each other. Someday you will definitely have to come in and take these present batches into your fold, recruit them, otherwise guide them, otherwise help them out in their placement somewhere and
Yeah.
somewhat, sometime, whatever you can. That's what we are planning, where we'll have a complete what do you say knitted what do you say group with alumni with the present batches, so that it will not be difficult for these people to get onto these placements. So that's what we can do, because what do you say interaction and communication between these batches and alumni
Yeah, it's very thoughtful.
is important, because that is what is needed right now in this situation, where we are going to get placed with our alumni itself. That will be very very what do you say energetic environment now in CMR training campus. So
Yeah,
thank you.
if in any way I could help, I'm just looking forward to it. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely, Harika. So thank you very much, so that we'll have once again another interaction with the students. Looking forward for your other meet, Harika.
Sure.
Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Actually, I am thankful to you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Niharika.
Yeah.
Thank you very
Yeah.
much. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Niharika.